Come on, come on. Whew. Ever wrestle with a stubborn sewer tank valve? What if you could dump your tanks with just a push of a button? Valterra can help. Hey everybody, I'd like to introduce you to the Valterra E-Valve. Look at this. All you have to do is push a little button. That valve's gonna open up for you, no problem. Or you can open your gray tank as well with that same push of a button. Now this is going to replace your current exit valves on your RV. All you have to do is unbolt these 4 screws where your current valve is connected, and then you can install the E-Valve. Now it does need to get connected to 12-volt electricity, so it's important to have a certified RV technician install it for you. Of course, you can get these at Campers Inn RV, or you can set an appointment with one of our RV techs with our service advisors. Why not make dumping your tanks less of a hassle? Call your local Campers Inn RV today and make an appointment for an upgrade.